Hey everyone, Cryptonite here. Are you ready for something absolutely wild and incredibly fun? Because today we have something that will blow your mind. Get ready for Hamster Kombat, the game where cute hamsters duke it out in the most adorable yet intense battles you've ever seen. These little guys are geared up and ready to rumble. And guess what? There's an epic airdrop coming soon. That's right, an airdrop filled with amazing goodies that you won't want to miss. Free loot for everyone who qualifies. Imagine opening up a treasure chest and finding all sorts of valuable items inside. It's like Christmas morning for gamers. Want in? Of course you do. Who wouldn't want to get their hands on some free, awesome loot? Let me break it down for you. It's super simple to qualify for this airdrop. Just follow these easy steps and you'll be on your way to scoring big. This airdrop is a big deal. People all over are getting hyped up and you should be too. The excitement is real and the rewards are even better. It's your chance to get a head start in the game. Level up faster, gear up better, and dominate the competition with the items you get from this airdrop. We're talking about valuable in-game items, tokens, and who knows what else. The possibilities are endless and the benefits are huge. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to boost your game and have a ton of fun while doing it. Stay tuned because I'm about to reveal how you can get your paws on this awesome airdrop. The process is straightforward, but you need to be quick and attentive. It's easier than you think, but you gotta pay attention. Ready? Let's do this. Get your game face on, follow the steps, and prepare to be amazed by what you can achieve. Let's make this the best gaming experience ever. Alright, here's the game plan to qualify for the Hamster Kombat Airdrop. If you're a fan of Hamster Kombat, you're in for a treat. This airdrop is your golden ticket to some exclusive in-game loot that you won't want to miss out on. It's super simple. Just follow these steps and trust me, it's worth it. First things first, you gotta join the Hamster Kombat community. This is where all the magic happens and you'll get to connect with other passionate gamers just like you. Head over to their website and sign up for an account. The process is straightforward and you'll be part of the community in no time. It's quick and easy, I promise. Plus, you'll get access to all the latest updates and events. Next, connect your crypto wallet to your Hamster Kombat account. This step is crucial because it's how you'll receive your airdrop goodies. This is important because that's where you'll receive your airdrop goodies. Make sure your wallet is secure and ready to go. Don't worry, it's a safe and secure process. The team at Hamster Kombat has made sure that your information and assets are protected. Now for the fun part. This is where you get to dive into the game and start earning those rewards. To be eligible, you gotta earn something called allocation points. These points are your ticket to unlocking the best loot. Don't worry, I'll explain everything about them in the next section. For now, just know that these points are essential for maximizing your rewards. Just know that the more points you get, the more rewards you'll snag. So get ready to dive in, have fun, and start collecting those points. The more you play, the more you win. Happy gaming! Okay, let's talk about allocation points. These are crucial for anyone looking to maximize their rewards in the Hamster Kombat universe. Think of them as your golden tickets to the Hamster Kombat Airdrop. These points are your gateway to unlocking exclusive rewards and benefits. The more you have, the bigger your share of the loot. Imagine having a treasure chest full of goodies just waiting for you. So how do you rack up these points? It's easy peasy. There are multiple ways to earn them, and each method is designed to be fun and engaging. You can earn them by doing things like participating in Hamster Kombat community events. These events are not only enjoyable but also a great way to meet fellow gamers. Referring your friends to the game is another fantastic way to earn points. The more friends you bring in, the more points you accumulate, or even just holding Hamster Kombat tokens in your digital wallet can earn you points. It's a passive way to increase your allocation without much effort. The Hamster Kombat team will be meticulously tracking your points. They have a robust system in place to ensure every point is accounted for. And when the airdrop drops, they'll calculate your share based on how many you've earned. The more points you have, the larger your share of the airdrop. Pretty cool, right? So start earning those points today and get ready for some amazing rewards. Get ready to circle this date on your calendar, September 26th. That's when the Hamster Kombat Airdrop officially launches. On this glorious day, the Hamster Kombat team will take a snapshot of everyone who's eligible for the airdrop. Then they'll distribute those sweet rewards based on the allocation points you've earned. So make sure you've got everything in order by then. Your account is set up, your wallet is connected, and you've been racking up those allocation points like a boss. Section 5. Stay in the loop. Don't miss a beat. The Hamster Kombat team is always cooking up something exciting, so make sure you stay in the loop. You don't want to miss out on important updates, surprise announcements, or extra chances to earn allocation points. The best way to stay informed is to follow Hamster Kombat on all their social media channels. Join their Telegram group, follow them on Twitter, and like their Facebook page. Trust me, you won't regret it. Section 6. Join the Hamster Huddle Telegram. Perks await. Speaking of Telegram, did you know that joining the Hamster Kombat Telegram group comes with a sweet bonus? That's right. Just for being part of the Hamster Huddle, you'll get a head start on your allocation points. New gamers who sign up through the link in the description will receive 5,000 coins. And if you're a Telegram Premium subscriber, you'll get a whopping 25,000 coins. It's a no-brainer. Join the group, chat with other Hamster Kombat fans, and get ready for the airdrop. Section 7. Ready to rumble? Sign up, bonus inside. What are you waiting for? Join the Hamster Kombat fun today. Sign up using the link in the description, and you'll automatically get a sweet sign-up bonus to boost your journey. Remember, the more allocation points you earn, the bigger your share of the airdrop loot. So start playing, invite your friends, and get ready to rumble in the world of Hamster Kombat. Section 8. Hamster Kombat awaits. Your journey begins now. The Hamster Kombat Airdrop is just the beginning of an epic adventure. This game is all about strategy, skill, and of course, adorable hamsters, battling it out for glory. Join the Hamster Kombat community today and let's make some noise. I can't wait to see you all in the game. Section 9. Hamster Kombat. It's more than just a game. Hamster Kombat is more than just a game. It's a community. It's a place where you can connect with other gamers, share your passion for hamsters, and maybe even win some awesome prizes. So what are you waiting for? Join the Hamster Kombat revolution today. Let's make some history together.